cut. You can't use the cartoon sound effect when Dot opens the door. It has to be normal. Okay, take 2. Cut. Why is the Windows XP startup playing? It should not do that. The music should be the normal audio. Okay, take 3.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Uh-oh, Dot, you're stuck. Don't worry, once we pull you out and set you free, we will do take 4. Oh my gosh. Cut. Dot, it looks like you're swinging. You have to stay here until you open the door. Okay, this is the last take, and if you mess up again, we're done. Okay, final take, take 5. Amazing. Nice job. Hey. Guess what? The PBS Kids bloopers are finally back for good. It's back since it's been for 1 year ago. Anyways, this is me signing off. Goodbye until next time.